Are you tired of trading time for money? Imagine earning while you sleep. This is the power of understanding income types. Today, we dive into passive versus active income. Active income requires your time and effort. Think jobs, freelancing, or consulting. You work, and you get paid. Simple, right? But it has limits. Your income stops without work. Passive income, on the other hand, works differently. Here, your money works for you. This includes rental income, dividends, or royalties. You set it up and watch it grow. Let's break these down step by step. First, active income. You rely on your skills and time. This is great for steady cash flow, but it often leads to burnout. Next, passive income. This is often built over time. Think of it as planting seeds. It requires initial effort but pays off later. Examples include real estate or online courses. Imagine a student. They work part-time for active income. But they could create a course on subjects they excel in. This course could generate passive income. Or consider a woman balancing her career and family. Active work is demanding. By investing in stocks, she can earn dividends. This is significant for financial freedom. Now, let's summarize. Active income is earned through direct effort. It's hands-on but limited. Passive income is created through investments. It blooms into long-term financial growth. Investing time now can yield income later. Embrace both to achieve financial stability. Ready to shift your income strategy? Start exploring passive income opportunities today. Subscribe for more insightful content. Active income has its merits, but it often keeps you tethered to a schedule. Picture someone clocking in every day, every hour counts as money. They might feel trapped in the cycle, exchanging their time for a paycheck, with little room for spontaneity. Passive income offers the enticing freedom to choose how you spend your time. Imagine waking up to see notifications of income in your account while you enjoyed a leisurely breakfast, or went for a morning jog. This lifestyle shift can be liberating, allowing you to focus on passions, hobbies, or even travel. Active income, while necessary for many, can lead to stress and exhaustion over time. For instance, a freelancer might hustle through endless projects just to make ends meet. Each completed task feels rewarding, yet the pressure to constantly seek new work can be overwhelming. In contrast, with passive income, that same freelancer could develop a digital product, like an e-book or an online workshop, that continues to generate income long after the initial creation. This shift from active to passive not only enhances financial security but also allows for a healthier work-life balance. The dream of working smarter, not harder, becomes attainable as each passive income stream builds upon itself, providing both time and financial freedom in the long run. As you contemplate this shift, consider the aspect of diversification. Just as a gardener tends to various plants, nurturing both fruits and flowers, incorporating different sources of passive income can yield a harvest of financial rewards. This might mean renting out property, investing in a peer-to-peer lending platform, or even creating a blog that generates revenue through advertising. Each venture may bring unique challenges, yet together they create a robust stream of income, ensuring that you're well equipped to weather any financial storm. By embracing this well-rounded approach, you build a resilient and thriving financial future. To truly maximize your income potential, it's essential to strike a balance between active and passive sources. This dual approach leverages the best of both worlds, allowing for immediate gains while also securing future prosperity. By taking careful steps towards understanding and implementing these income strategies, you can transform your financial landscape, achieving true freedom and flexibility in your life. It's time to take action, cultivate your opportunities, and watch your financial future flourish.